Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up an SMTP server in Gmail. So, let's get started. First, click on your account, then select Manage your account. There are two things we'll be setting up in the Security tab. First, we need to activate two-step verification. So, click on it and simply follow the prompts. As you can see, I've already turned it on. Next, look for app passwords. This step is crucial, as we'll use it later. Now, I'll create a sample or test SMTP server here. Click Create and make sure to save this password because it's essential. I'll copy it now and set it aside. Now, let's move on to an SMTP test tool. Go ahead and open it. This is the tool we'll be using today. Here's the data we need. Type smtp.gmail.com for the SMTP server. For the port, use 465. Set security to SSL. Since this is a test, I'll copy our sample Gmail account and paste it here. For the password, use the app password we just created. Paste it here and that's it. Click Test, and you should see it working instantly. And that's how you can set up an STMP server in Gmail. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.